What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to fix a brake light on a Mercedes with an SBC system. The brake light, as you can see, is on. On previous models it would trip the ABS light, but in this case is tripping the brake light. So this car, these Mercedes in general have a common problem with the brake switch. So I went to O'Reilly and AutoZone, and both of them didn't have a scan tool that's good enough to pull the codes from the brake system or the SBC system or the airbag system from this car. So O'Reilly had a pretty good Bosch scan tool, but it wasn't able to pull the codes from the what this brake light is for. And AutoZone in my town had a pretty crappy scan tool, and it didn't pull any codes as well. So what I have here, I have a brake switch, which is very common to go out on these cars, and I'm gonna replace it anyway because it's very common to go out anyway. So this is a standard motor product. It's less than $10. It's $9 something of Rock Auto, and it's just worth replacing because it goes out very commonly. So why not replace it and see if it fixes the brake light? So let's start on replacing this switch. Okay, so looking down here by the brake pedal, we have to drop this panel right here. It's a few Torx bolts and this white piece right here that you undo. You just unscrew with a flathead screwdriver. So I'm gonna get that done and we'll see what's next. Okay, so I dropped off the panel right here, just enough to get. Okay, so there's a clip right here. You gotta push and twist. It comes right out. You just unplug it and put the new one back in the same way, just like that. There it is. Okay. Here's the new one. Just plug it. And put it right in there. Perfect. Okay. Now just bolt this back on and you are done. I'm gonna turn the ignition on, see if that fixed anything. Oh. Okay, so I hate to be a parts changer, but this apparently wasn't the problem. So this is still the original one, but it didn't go bad yet. But it looks a lot shorter than the new one, the updated one. So this definitely didn't fix our problem, but this was worth the try. I really hate to be a parts changer, but this was worth the try because it goes bad anyway. It's in under $10. So that was it. Thanks guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.